Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. So today I bought the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Titanium Violet, and here it is. So right now it's in the box and I'm going to review it and show you how it looks. But first of all, let's look at the box. So you can see there's an image of the phone. So you can see the phone itself and the stylus it comes with. And at the side it says Galaxy S24 Ultra, and same with the other side. Well, it says Samsung, but at the bottom it just says like how much storage it has and what model it is and what color. At the back there isn't much important, but now let's open the box. So now I took the tape off the sides. So to open it, you just lift this top up, and inside isn't much, but that's where you put the phone, and the manual is in there. But here's the phone. So this is the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Violet Titanium. So this is all titanium. You can see the 4 rear cameras and the flash, which is the little white dot. So let's take it out. Same with this box, there isn't much, but just a place to put the phone. So here's the phone. So it says Samsung there, and these are the cameras, the 4 rear cameras, and there's the sides. So if we look at this side, you have the 2 buttons. So you have the on and off button, and then you have the volume button. So that's down, up. And then if we look at the bottom, this is to put the pen in and out, and this is a SD card slot, and then in here is the SIM card slot, and here is the USB-C charging cable. So now let's take this off. And here's the screen. So let's turn it on. So it's turning on now. So I turned it on, and you can see you have a call button and then another button here, but this says start in different languages, and it says it up here. So it says welcome, so that says welcome and that says start. But first let's look at the pen. So to take the pen out, you just have to click the top and it just comes out. So it's gray, and that's the button to turn it on. So we just press it there, and the tip is rubber, so it's safe with the phone. So let's press start, and it says add SIM card to connect to internet, I think it was. But here you can see all the languages, so we can scroll down. So you can pick the language. So you have maybe 50 languages on this. But if you do come close enough, you can see a little button there. Wait, you can see the button if you come close enough. And to put it back in, all I have to do is just put it in there, slide it in, and then press. So this is the new phone that I'm going to record our new videos on. So thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video and enjoyed it. So subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time. Bye.